Hello and Namaste. I am Ketan Khan from 192 Consulting. After having discussed about Form ISR-13, which is for appointing a nominee for the shareholdings in the company, today we will discuss about Form ISR-3, which is exactly opposite of SH-13. SH-13 is filed for appointing the nominee. ISR-3 is filed for opting out of the appointment of the nomination. These are exact opposite forms. We understand, or there are very few cases where the nominees are not appointed. But if a particular investor desires not to appoint a nominee, for those we have come out with this informatory video. If the shareholder is not willing to appoint a nominee, then how he should convey to the company that he is not appointing a nominee to those shares. See, ISR-3 is a form. ISR-3 is more or less like a declaration that a particular investor ABC, he is the shareholder of that company. He is entitled to all the corporate benefits accruing out of that shareholding, yet he is not willing to appoint a nominee. This form has to be signed by the shareholder and submit in the physical format to the company as in to the RTA, because in the earlier videos we have made it amply clear that on behalf of all the shareholders, on behalf of all the companies, RTAs are mandated to process all the details of the shareholders. RTAs are SEBI registered entities. We have discussed it earlier as well. Now the shares in which nominations are not made or not the nominees are not appointed get transmitted to the legal heirs of the shareholder after the original shareholder is deceased. There is one more question that we are asked while dealing with the nomination issues. So if a particular person is opting not to appoint any nominee or opting out of nomination for a particular shareholding, can he appoint a nominee thereafter or any time down the future? The answer to that question is yes. A person, even if he has not currently appointed a nominee to those shares, he can readily appoint a nominee down the line. In that case, he has to give Form SH-13 and a letter to the company that earlier I had submitted Form ISR-3. Now I am changing my option and appointing a particular person as a nominee, and in that case, Form SH-13 has to be filed with the company. Should you have any question regarding appointment of the nominee, opting out of the nominee, or SH-13, ISR-3, or reclaiming of the shares from IEPF or dematerialization of shares, please feel free to reach out to us through comments in the comment section of this video or through an email on info@192.in. We will be all the more happy to help. This is Ketan Khan signing off for the time being. Thank you so much.